When preparing to move house, prioritize inspecting and securing crawl space and attic access points to prevent energy loss and pest entry after you move in. Start by removing loose debris and taking clear measurements of each access point so you can buy or cut a properly fitting cover and insulation panel that compresses to a snug fit without bending structural framing. Check the existing cover for warping, rot, or rust, and replace any that do not lay flat against the opening. Tight physical contact is the first line of defense against drafts and pests. Install closed-cell foam weather stripping around the perimeter of the access cover, compressing it to form a continuous seal that resists moisture and pest entry while remaining removable for future service. For attic scuttle doors, use an insulated scuttle box or fit rigid foam board behind the interior hatch and secure it with screws and washers so it cannot shift during use. For crawl space entrances, add a fitted insulated hatch and secure a heavy-duty latch or hasp to prevent small animals from nudging the cover loose while still allowing access for maintenance. Label each access panel with durable tags, listing its location and service notes so movers and utility technicians know where to open panels safely without tearing seals or insulation. Common mistakes include assuming a cover that looks intact is airtight when warped or loose edges still leak. So test by holding a lit white candle near seams and watching for flicker, and then adjust sealing or replace the cover if you see movement. Another issue is using low density or loose fill insulation at access doors, which compresses under foot traffic and creates gaps. So use rigid foam or high performance insulation board cut to fit and secure it to prevent settling. A third frequent problem is overlooking rodent entry points near utility penetrations. So inspect where pipes and wires enter the space and seal gaps smaller than 1/2 inch, using a combination of copper mesh and high-grade elastomeric sealant to block access while allowing necessary service clearances. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors for tasks like sealing and insulating access points, and it connects contractors with homeowners who need work. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share tips, product recommendations, and step-by-step experiences to help you prepare your new home.